So today we're going to talk about CheeLee Withdrawal and how to withdraw from the CheeLee app in any country that you're from, be it USA, Nigeria, United Kingdom, Canada. It works in all countries. So let's get into the video.
From the CheeLee app to your Binance. To withdraw your money, quickly go to your wallet and then you come to this external wallet here. If you don't have one, try and create one. Then here you will see something like BNB. You need to have this, so just click on it and then click on receive, and then you copy this address. You take note of the network and go to your Binance or any wallet and deposit BNB to this address first before you do anything. So now I have BNB and you can see 0.2 BNB here. Alright, so if you don't know what BNB, or if you don't have BNB, try and buy from a vendor, or today I can be your vendor. Right now go to your internal wallet, then here click on the CheeLee coin, which you can see here. On this page I will not advise you to use this sell option because it's not always good, it's very dangerous. So go ahead and click on transfer, then here click on this marks to send this very amount to your external wallet. So this is from internal to external wallet, and then you can take note of their app fee, and this is why you need the BNB before you can initiate any transaction on the platform. So go ahead, click on confirm again. Because of the high app fee, this is what I'll be getting, so go ahead and click on done. The amount has been deducted from our internal, so now let's go to our external wallet, refresh the page, and you can see that the amount has really changed. Alright, so I still have like 0.6 BNB left, and this is what I got from the CheeLee coin. So I get just $2.9 from the CheeLee coin. So how do I withdraw this? To withdraw the CheeLee coin to your Binance, go to your assets here, down here, then up here you're going to see exchange and wallet. Click on the wallet. So this is the Web3 wallet, and if you don't have one, try and create one. So on this page, go ahead and click on receive. So three options will come out for you like this. The only one you need, since you want to withdraw from the CheeLee app, is receive token via address. So click on it. You might see the CheeLee coin here, or you scroll down, but if you don't want to stress yourself, use the search bar and search for CheeLee and you'll find it. So you click on it. Here you find the address. Go ahead and click on this copy icon, copy it and go to your CheeLee app. Without wasting time, click on the CheeLee coin in your external wallet, click on withdraw, put the address you've copied from Binance, click on mass, go ahead and confirm the transaction, click on confirm again, and we already have the money in our Web3 wallet. Alright, you can see the amount here, and this transaction is just like a flash swap. You will receive the money under 1 minute. Alright, so this is what I want to share with you, and you can also go back and withdraw your remaining BNB in the platform that is on the CheeLee. You can withdraw your remaining BNB to your Binance. Okay, so in another video I am going to share how you can withdraw this money to your exchange and swap it to normal coin and use it for other things. Alright, for now this is all I have for you. Do want to subscribe. Stay tuned for my next video.